Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a video on my simple straightening routine. I don't know if to call it a blowout or silk press, but yeah. And these are the products that I'm using. I use the Design Essentials shampoo conditioner and this Chi, I hope I said that right, Silk Infusion hair protectant serum, and then the Olaplex mask, hair mask number 8. Bond Intense Moisture Mask, which I feel like it really makes my hair strong and nice and fuller. And that's all the products that I use for this. I don't really do anything that special, y'all. And what really helps me with my hair straightening routine is a good blow dryer, and I use the gold, I think it's called the Gold Hot brush, as you can see that I'm using right now. It really gets my hair pretty straight for the most part. And then for my straightener, I use a titanium straightener. It's the BaByliss Pro. I hope I said that right. And I do use the highest degree, which is 450, but I only do no more than 2 passes. It's not that often that I have to do 3 passes at that temperature. But yeah, I try to keep the pass on my hair limited so I don't cause any breakage. And now I'm just splitting my hair in 2s, half up, half down. And I put the first in the front up first. I'll straighten that part last, and I'll go ahead and straighten the back first, using a fine tooth comb to make sure my hair is nice and slick as it follows the straightener as I straighten my hair. And I just went back to fully natural. Back in September 2022, I had got a texturizer in my hair, and I just never went back to get a touch up. So I pretty much just let the new growth grow. And by the time it got to like October, November, I was trying to decide if I wanted to just go back to natural or to get a texturizer again and keep my hair long. And my hair was pretty long, y'all. It was about bra strap length. That's the longest my hair has ever been. And at that, being a natural girly. So yeah, I was proud of my hair, but I just wanted something different. I was missing my short hair, to be honest. So I just decided to cut the straight pieces off. And I booked an appointment to get a specific haircut. And I got layers, and I loved it. And my hair has grown a lot since then. I had got it cut like near the beginning of November, and my hair still looks like it's like I just got a trim. So it's pretty amazing. Like, my hair still looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. And I do plan on going back for a trim probably next month in February. And I'm just loving this length right now. I'm loving this bob. And yeah, gotta enjoy these winter months while I can, because I'm a natural girl. So yeah, I'm loving the non-humidity weather right now. Although we've had some humid days recently in North Carolina. If y'all know, you know, North Carolina is so weird about the weather. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking at this point. I believe I've said everything that I needed to say in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down below what y'all use for y'all's at-home routine to straighten y'all's natural hair or even relaxed hair. I would like to know, learn about new products as well, maybe new techniques as well. So yeah, I will see you guys later, and y'all hope y'all have a blessed day.